Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to clear the cache in the Alibaba app. So let's dive right in. Open the Alibaba application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Alibaba application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says My Alibaba and then click on it. Then, on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the setting option, which is presented in the form of a hexagon, and click on it. By clicking on the setting option, a drop-down menu will open where you will find the option, Clear App Cache, and click on it. The application will open a small window in which you will click on the OK option. Once you confirm, the cache will be cleared and the app will remove temporary files that have accumulated over time. And there it is! Clearing the Alibaba app cache is super easy and can help keep the app running smoothly. It's a great way to free up space and improve performance. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.